How to change language in Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Further, under the Preferences tab, you will see the option for language and region. Tap on that and then select the language for buttons, titles, and other text from Facebook option you see there. You will then directly be led to your device's settings page. So here, tap on the language option under preferred language and then go ahead and select the language that you want to change your Facebook's language to. And once you have tapped on it, if you go back and open Facebook, then as you can see here, the language has been changed successfully. So this is how you can change language in Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.